Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. As you all know students, we were practicing some important question from last 1 week. But this is the time to proceed our syllabus. Okay. So due to this reason, today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 8. Okay. So students, let us start from the exercise A of chapter 8. Exercise number A is take the correct answer. Okay. Look at the board everyone. Exercise number A is take the correct answer. In this, question number first is which of the following is not needed for internet connection. Okay. In this, option number A is modem, option number B is table, and option number C is ISP. Okay. Student, the question is asking which of the following is not needed for internet connection. Option number A is modem. It is very necessary. Table is not necessary for internet connection. Okay. And ISP is also necessary for internet connection. So dear students, option number B is the right answer. You have to tick on the option number B. Now the question number second. Question number second is it is not a type of internet connection. In this question, there are three options. Option number A is broadband, option number B is dial-up, and option number C is motherboard. Okay. Here student, the question is asking it is not a type of internet connection. Okay. Option number A is broadband. This is the type of internet connection. Second is dial-up. This is also a type of internet connection. But here is motherboard. This is not a type of internet connection. You have to tick on the option number C. Now come to the question number third. Okay, students. Question number third is it is a piece of personalized information option. Let me see, students, you are able to see. Yes, option number A is group. Option number B is signature. And option number C is attachment. Okay. Student, the question is, it is a piece of personalized information. Here students, option number B, signature is a piece of personalized information. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. Let me erase this. Students, you have to write it in your CW copy just now, and then after you have to write this in your CW copy. Sorry, HW copy. Okay. Now the question number 4 is Wolf age stand for. Okay. In this question there are 3 options. Option number first is voice over information. Protocol. And option number B is video over internet protection. And option number C is voice over internet protocol. Okay. Students, here options are, option number A is voice over information protocol. Option number B is video over internet protection, and option number C is voice over internet protocol. Dear student, option number A is the right answer. Voice over information protocol. VoIP is stand for voice over internet protocol. Okay. This is I. Okay. I stand for information and P stand for protocol. Clear? Now come to the next, that is question number 5. Students, question number 5 is, which of the following is not an example of real-time communication? Okay. Option number A is postal later. Option number B is Skype, and option number C is Hangout. Dear student, the question is, which of the following is not an example of real-time communication? Dear students, option number A, postal letter, is not an example of real-time communication. Okay? And Skype and Hangout is a type of an example of real-time communication. Okay? These are video calling application. Now the next is exercise number B, fill in the blanks. Students, exercise number B is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In this, question number first is Google Chrome and Internet Explorer are example of dash. Okay, here you have to fill web browser. Okay, students, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer are example of web browser. Now come to the question number second. Question number second is dash is also known as USB modem. Okay, dear students, as you all know, dongle is also known as USB modem. Now come to the next question, that is question number third. Students, question number third is dash is an instant messaging service. Dash is an instant messaging service developed by Google. Students, here you have to fill email. Okay. Now the next question number 4. Let me erase this. Next question number 4 is Wi-Fi network uses dash to internet connection. Internet connection. Okay, students, here you have to fill broadband. Okay, broadband. And the next, that is question number 5. Students, question number 5 is address is automatically added at the end of an email message. Okay, as you all know, students, signature is automatically added at the end of email messages. Clear? Now dear students, the next exercise, that is exercise number C, true false, I will explain in my next video lecture. Okay, students, you have to complete it in your HW copy. Okay, now next exercise, true, that is write true, T for true statement and F for false statement. I will explain in my next video lecture. Till then, students, goodbye. Thank you for watching my videos.